Hi, first graders. Today we are starting Unit 6. That means that we only have 5 more sounds that we're learning in all of first grade. That's crazy. Today is Monday. We are going to be starting to talk about the spoon card today. We're going to start by reviewing what we learned last week, our oi card, and then we'll get into our spoon card. Go ahead and read along with us. All right, so last week we talked about the boy card. Boy card can say oi, oi, and it is spelled O-I or O-Y. So right here we have j, oi, n, t. The word is. Next word, think, say, think, say, think, say, think, say. The word is enjoys. What's the word? Think, say, think, say, think, say, think, say. Last one, think, say. The word is soy. What's the word? All right, this is our spoon card. Spoon card is a very tricky spelling card because look at all of these different spellings for one sound. Now the spoon card says ooh, ooh, like you hear in the middle of the word spoon. So there's lots of different spellings for this word. The first one is O-O, like you see in the word spoon. Ooh, ooh. Now we have U blank E, like you see in the word rule. We have U, like you see in the word truth. We have EW, like you see in the word chew. UE, like in the word glue. OU, like in the word you. And UI, like in the word fruit. So that's a lot of sounds to focus on. We are going to practice saying all of those sounds. Say the sounds twice when I underline them. Ready? Read. Ooh, 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 ooh. Keep going. All right, good job. So lots of sounds that say ooh. We are going to start blending some words. Ready? Blend. Ooh, word is soon. Tur, ooh, word is truth. Full, oot, word is, keep going, word is, tur, word is, word is, word is. Okay, next we are going to say some sounds. Say the sounds 2 times as I underline them. Ready? Read. Ooh, ooh, er, ooh, ooh, or, der, ooh, 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 oi, oi. Ow, ow, a, oi, oi. Now, as you notice, there were some sounds, like this one or this one, that we have other sounds for. Like usually this one would say you. This one we also learned the book card This one could say or you. This week those sounds are going to say ooh, ooh, like in the book, or sorry, in the spoon card. Okay, this is where you stretch out the sounds. Ready? Stretch. Soup. Word is Word is on your own. Word is. Word is. Ooh. Word is. Word is. Word is. Der. Ooh. Word is. Drew. N. Word is. New. Bull. Word is. Blue. J. Oos. Word is. Juice. Next word. Y. Ooh. Word is. Okay, this is internal sounding out. Sound it out in your brain and then say the word. Think, say. This is a tricky one. This word is look. So our OO says like in our book card. Next word. Think, say. This word is loop. Now, if we go here and we say ook, Luke, that is a word, but it's a name. So we know that this word must be look because that's what makes sense. Same thing here. If we said the book card, we said look, that's not a word. So we try oop, and we know this word is loop. So sometimes you just have to try out the different sounds. Next word, think. Say, the word is road. Next word, think. Say, the word is rude. Think. Say, the word is stay. Think. Say, the word is stew. Next word, review from last week. Think. Say, the word is coin. Think. Say, the word is ouse, mouse. What's the word? Think. Say, the word is town. Think. Say, the word is corn. Think. Say, the word is hurt. Last one, think. Say, the word is boys. Okay, sentences. Think. Say, the word is duke. Think. Say, the word is war. Word is think. Say, the word is blue. Think. Say, the word is suit. Sight word is and. Word, think. Say, brown. Think. Say, the word is boots. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Read. Duke wore a blue suit and brown boots. Next sentence. Think. Ooh, because it's followed by a Y. E, the word is Lucy. What's the word? Next word. Think. Says D at the end. The word is jumped. Next word. Think. Say into. What's the word? Next word. Think. Say. The word is her. Next word, think. Say the word is new. Last word, think. Say the word is pool. Let's go ahead and read it together. Ready? Read. Lucy jumped into her new pool. All right, last sentence. Word is think. Say the word is moose. Next word, think. Word is from. Sight word is the. Think. Say word is zoo. Think. Say word is was. Word is on. Word is the. Last word, think. Say word is loose. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. A moose from the zoo was on the loose. All right, we are going to read a story called A Balloon Ride. What's it called? All right, we are going to start by highlighting the words that have our focus sound of the week, which is our spoon card. Ooh, ooh. So right here we have the word group. What's the word? And I'm going to switch colors so that they're not our sight words. Group. This word is drooped. What's the word? That means kind of falls down, or if your ears droop, they're kind of pointing downwards. Okay, the next page. We have Bruce right here. That's a name, Bruce. Here we have group again, and then Bruce and loose. Okay, let's go ahead and read it together. Ready? Read. A group of students planned a balloon ride. A red balloon drooped on the ground. They had, this word is brought. What's the word? Brought. A pump. They got busy filling it up. Next page. Ready? Read. Are you ready? Asked Bruce. The group had a loud answer. Yes. Bruce set the balloon loose. All right. Bling words this week are our number words. This word is 6. What's the word? This word is 1. What's the word? This word is 5. What's the word? This word is 4. What's the word? This word is 3. What's the word? Let's do them one more time. Word is 6. Word is 1. Word is 5. Word is 4. Word is 3. All right, really quickly, we are going to review what a noun and a pronoun is. Now, right before we went to distance learning, we talked about pronouns a little bit. Let's talk about a noun first. A noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. So your name would be a person. Rolling Meadows would be a place. A cat or lotion, that would be a thing. So we could say, my name is, and my name is Mrs. Rakoff. I am your teacher. Your name is what? You are one student in this class. John is a boy. He is in our class. Myra is a girl. She is in our class. You and I are sitting in this room. We are in this room. The kids are sitting in the corner. They are sitting in the corner. So instead of saying your name and my name all over again, we could say you and I, or we or they. So instead of saying a name, you would use a pronoun. That makes it shorter. That's all the time we have for PowerPoint today. We'll see you tomorrow to review our spoon card again. Bye.